Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to find hidden photos on your iPhone. For that, you need to go on your photos. Now you will be led to this kind of interface where you can find all of your photos. Now in order to find the hidden one, you need to scroll at the end. And at the end, you can see this kind of options. And at the utility section, you can see hidden option at the first. You need to tap on it. Now before viewing the hidden photo, you need to use Face ID or your passcode. And here now you can find all the hidden photos. Now in order to unhide it, all you need to do is select the photos. In order to select it, you need to tap on select option at the top right. After you are done selecting it, at the bottom right you can see 3-line icon, tap on it. And there you can see unhide option at the fourth. You have to tap on it. And after that, the photos will be unhidden and it will go straight to your gallery. But this is how you can find hidden photos on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.